Hey there. So, you're one of us, aren't you? Mind if I ask you a few questions? Question 1. When you travel, you usually... Well, if that's your idea of fun. Kidding. So, next question. When you're traveling, do you follow the itinerary or are you more spontaneous? Good to know. And what about politics? What would you do if you disagreed with our country's government? Right on. Oh, one last question. When you watch a movie, you do so to... But you might also watch a movie to... Thanks. Good to know. And I guess you're like the other runaway teens, trying to flee Petria. It's really dangerous to cross the border. You have to be careful with the people you meet on the way, believe me. Don't go fainting on me. But each decision could shape your destiny and Petria's too. Okay, I guess it's time for you to hit the road. I hope you're ready.
I'm here at our nation's border under National Mountain, the site of the Black Brigade terrorist attack in '86. If you don't remember, hundreds died that day when a brigade truck carrying explosive devices crashed into the mountain, triggering its peak to collapse. In 2 months, on the same day as the nation's election, in the same spot where I'm standing, the 10-year commemoration honoring the victims will take place.
Give us all your darn money, bitch!
Yeah, all your darn money.
Robbery in progress. All cars in the area respond immediately.
Unit 2 here, on my way. Over.
President Tyrak, the man who built the border wall behind me, protecting our nation, will be there.
Protecting our nation? Ha!
This event promises to be a solemn moment, and a time to celebrate the announcement of our next president.
Ugh, total BS.
Of course, I'll be there live, giving you the real story as it unfolds. This has been GNN Sonia Sanchez reporting live.
listeners, a sneak peek of today's Sonia show.
Tyrak, working against voter registration fraud, is fighting hard against his opponents. Nation, he deserves your full support.
Tune in later to hear more.
Stop! I'm famous! That's right. It's me, your beloved Sonia. Listen, I've had a little limo crash. Would you be a doll and give me a ride to a payphone? What's that? You're a little special, aren't you? Oh, that's sweet. Anyway, can you give me a ride? Thanks, hun. Adam, the kid's gonna give me a ride. You think about what you done. Let me drive the limo when I asked? Ha! Big mistake. Bad, Adam! Bad! Now, come on. Ain't got all day. I'm goddamn Sonia Sanchez. You actually drive this dump on wheels? I mean, it's nice. Real... lived in. Why would I do that? Did you know there's a burger back here? I'm gonna put it next to you. Try not to eat my fingers, okay? Ugh, you really just ate that? In front of me? Whatever. Ask me a question, hun. I know you're burning too. More money you got, the better. Sometimes I withdraw money from my account just to hold it. Then I put it back in again. Oh, it definitely does. So, honey bunny, how much do you love my show? That's a good team. Well, sparkling as your conversation may be, you're boring me, Sugar Pie. But I have an idea to liven this hearse up. Dance party! Good. Now find some music on that junk radio of yours. Nope. You kidding me? Thanks, sweetie. I needed that. Tell me something, and I want you to be honest. Is this even your car? I don't believe you. Relax, sugar. I haven't had this much fun in so long. Look at that! Reminds me of... well, of my past. I haven't been so kind to the ones I love lately. It is sometimes, but I'm not sure that's an excuse. But thanks for saying that. It's sweet. Look! A phone booth! Stop the goddamn car! And it looks like you're just about out of gas. Here, you deserve it. Well, thanks for the ride. I don't know where you're heading, Sweet Pea, but good luck getting there.
You're gonna vote, right? Well, you should. You know, that's another reason Tyrak sends you teens, you know where. So that your vote can't be heard. Spread the love, kid. What goes around comes around.
Look, just give me the money and I won't call the cops.
A guy got stabbed here 2 days ago, and they never came. The cops aren't gonna show for this.
I don't have time for this. Just admit you stole from me and...
I didn't do it.
She stole money from my office, then tried to pay our rent with it.
I don't need your money, man.
Who are you? Her attorney? No, I don't have proof. She turned off my security camera! She's a criminal mastermind! You teens! I don't need the hassle! I'm out of here!
You didn't have to do that, you know. I was handling it. I've met worse. Believe me. Anyway, welcome to the Night Skies Campground. If you like crappy trailers, this place is the best. To look at the stars? I know, it's cheesy. Go up there to the office. But the owner won't be happy to see you. No sweat. Hey, don't become roadkill out there, okay?
What do you want? I got trailers here, trailers you can sleep in, if you got the dough. I'm right here. I got trailers here, trailers you can sleep in, if you got the dough.
You look lost. If you want to rent a trailer, go up the stairs to my right and talk to the owner. Otherwise, find the dancing guy. There's cardboard near him.
This is 191.9, the voice of the brigades. This is your Papa Baby here. With the upcoming fraud of an election, more and more countries are calling for the resignation of Tyrak. But will he step down? Of course not. Which is why, dear listeners, we must resist this man and his government as much as we can. And now, here's a tune from a fresh new band. Remember, Papa Baby loves you.
You left the radio outside, Denny. Turn it off before you get us arrested. Denny, what did I say about the radio? Turn it off.
It's not me, I swear. Feel free to join if you can hang. No one can really dance with me. I'm on another level. But knock yourself out. See what I mean about not being able to dance with me? There's some cardboard right there beside that guy, but he's a snorer.
kept inside so long. I've lost sight of right and wrong. When you left an open door, I couldn't help but explore.
Hey, wake up. Come hang out with me.
Thinking I could find a friend.
Up here.
Saying hi and shaking hands. I hope this moment
Hurry up. Come here. Sit with me.
feels so good out on the road and on my
You don't have any marshmallows, do you? Sorry, I ask everyone that. Anyway, it's nice to have someone normal around here.
eyes and summer nights I know. The road
I left home at the start of the summer. I wanted to get out of Petria. Like you, I think. My dad thinks I'm on a big road trip. Truth is, I'm never going back home again.
chasing butterflies and floating on the breeze.
To have a normal life? My dad says I'm lucky because I have a privileged life here. But that life disgusts me, especially now that I know
It feels so good out on the road and on my own way.
I don't know. But it's got to be better than this, no?
Ocean waves to desert
Sometimes, yeah. But what scares me the most is going back to my old life. But enough about all that. Hey, why don't we play a little music? Let's play Bella Ciao. I used to play this all the time. You know. Come on, don't be scared. Give it a shot. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, now let's try it with the music. I should be recording this. Okay, faster. My stomach All right. Yeah, all right.
It's 3 in the morning! Put that away before I come up there! That's it! Both of you are gone by sunrise! Understand me? And don't come back! Ever!
Oh man, that was great. I think he is this time, but don't sweat it. I was gonna leave anyway. But I'm just sorry for you. That's sweet, but I think I need to travel on my own. It's important to me, you know? Thanks for understanding. Well, we should probably start packing, huh? Good luck out there. Oh, this is for you, to remember this moment.
Sorry, forgot you were back there. So where are we headed today with Happy Taxi? No. Sorry. What I mean is, of course, the customer is always king. Now sit back and enjoy your ride with Happy Taxi. All that belonged to the last customer. I'm sorry for the mess. He left that behind, too. I can see why you'd say that. Not a lot gets by you, I can tell. By the way, everything I'm telling you is the truth. We're called Happy Taxi, but we could be called Honest Taxi, too. Maybe you have some questions about the road. I can help you with those. What goes around comes around. I know that. That's not for your eyes. I have that for a home project. You shouldn't be this close to me. Enough. Now sit back and stay seated. Enjoy your ride with Happy Taxi. No. I'm going to turn the music up now. Do you like dinosaurs? I don't think so. Did you say something? Oh, I see. Oh no, I think I have a flat tire. Better take a look. Sit tight, okay? Who's gonna kill me? I don't want to die! No, please! What did I say about disturbing the customers?
probably have to ride around for a little while longer.
Oh, look at that. Impressive.
Snacks and drinks? Can I help you at all? I just hope it'll actually be democratic, but I'm not holding my breath. Even if it's not voter intimidation, they have other ways of altering the results.
Special 10-year commemoration of the collapse. There's some never-before-seen footage there. Oh, just proof that the government had explosives rigged on the mountain.
Whoa, hold up there, kid. Not unless I let you. Maybe I won't. And why should I? Give me a good reason. Should have said so. Talk to my boss at the camp's entrance. She can hook you up if you got the dough.
Who wants to know? Maybe I can help with that. The important word being maybe.
Yes, but I don't have enough money. Finding your freedom can be expensive. Maybe I should just give up anyway. I took the offshore worker test. Needless to say, I failed. Lucky for me, they didn't put me up in a cell. And they're in the paperwork, maybe. Hey, see that door back there? Wow, take it easy. You're not gonna open that door. Not without my help. I've been watching officials on this path for some time. Just so happens one dropped their access card the other day. Made this huge magnet, see? But that's not important. My point is, the card's yours. For a price. 2 reasons. Claustrophobia and cleithrophobia. Oh, fear of being trapped on the ground.
Hey there, want some advice? Don't try crossing over the mountain. I saw a guy fall from the peak one time. He screamed all the way down. And it's a long way down. Just don't go up there. I was just thinking about that right now. Don't tell anybody, but I've got a Gov Pass. News like that gets out, and teens will be swarming me.
Yeah, why? Way too risky. Money talks. That's all I'll say.
Here for the offshore worker exam? Are you registered? Everything looks in order. You can head inside.
Welcome. You're here for the offshore worker test. If you fail, it's because you have lied and you will be detained. It's too late to leave. Try and you will also be detained. The test will be difficult. Only the most honest citizens will pass. Your number will be displayed behind me. When it appears, it's your turn. Your test results will also be displayed there. So pay attention. There are certain requirements you need to know. Only married persons with at least one child can rightfully apply. Your contract, if you pass, will last for 5 years. No more, no less. Lastly, the majority of your pay will be sent back to your homeland. Your number will soon be displayed. Bless our beautiful nation. What are you doing? Your number's on the screen. Get in there.
Ready? Quiet. Let us begin. Question 1. What is your candidate number? Question 2. How old is your eldest child? Strange. You look very young. Question 3. If you pass, how long will your stay abroad be? Question 4. What age would your eldest child be when you return from abroad? Question 5. Are you, or have you ever been, a Black Brigade? Question 6. Have you ever listened to illegal radio stations? Be honest. Question 7. When did the Black Brigade terrorist attack occur? No. I repeat, when did the Brigade terrorist attack occur? Question 8. Who is Sonia Sanchez? Question 9. Who is our great president? Question 10. Do you like living in dormitories? Question 11. Which of the following do you enjoy the most? Last question. Have you answered all questions truthfully? I already know, but I want to hear it from you. You can now wait for your test results in the waiting room. Hopefully you'll not be arrested. Good day.
You look young to take this test. That wasn't really a compliment. Don't worry, I won't. God, I hope he passes us.
Number 13, you have passed. Stand up and leave. And may you well represent our blessed nation.
Freedom. Nothing is more important, but there are many others in Petria still looking for it. And their journeys have only just begun.